What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
a shoe that is funny, and I didn't think I'd be reviewing it today, but came across it. It is the Stan Smith Adidas Homer Simpson. Now, this is a funny shoe to me. We're going to talk about it. Before we get into it, Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
ring that bell, please. The notification bell next to the subscribe button.
Thank
both
you.
of them low key.
Yeah, low key.
Because, you know, you love us. You want all that content. So make sure you get it.
We got a lot of content. We're going to keep dropping videos. We got a lot of shoes, a lot of things to talk about around sneakers. And if you've been here before and you came back, thanks for rocking with us. We have fun here, online, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, all of that stuff. Every Daddy C, follow, connect, contact.
Yeah.
All right. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to these shoes. All right, Nigel.
We got some Homer shoes.
The Homer Simpson Stan Smith Adidas. Now, you see the logo, the meme, the photo, I say, that's on the top of the box. So you can look at it here. I think this is a size 11, right? That's the Stan Smith.
Show them the meme.
Homer Simpson. And everybody knows this, right? You know that meme.
That Homer ducking in the bushes.
Exactly. That's that meme, that piece that we see in all the GIFs, everything when we're replying to somebody and somebody says something really uncomfortable and just like, we slide into the bushes, right? That's from season 5 of The Simpsons, and it was an episode called Homer Loves Flanders. So Flanders is like the super nice neighbor, you know, the Homer Simpson. He's like, hey neighbor, like always like super happy. And in this one episode, Homer, because it's called Homer Loves Flanders, he asked Flanders to go out, like hang out for the day, and Flanders told him no. So that when Homer did that, he was like, did he just tell me no? Like, oh boy, he just dipped into the bushes. So it was pretty funny, and that meme is funny. But the shoe, let's check it out. Let's see what Adidas did, man, with a whole theme. This is a classic Stan Smith Adidas.
Oh, this is funny.
Yeah,
I get it.
It's the classic Stan Smith Adidas shoe. Not much change there.
Yeah. You know what's funny is I thought this was going to be like yellow and like just look like Homer Simpson.
Right.
But instead it's just a regular Adidas.
Yeah.
And they literally just put the meme on the shoe.
They did. They dropped the meme on the back ankle and like this fuzzy, you know.
It feels like Bush for real.
This is it's like that, what's that material called? Like you have robes that are made out of that and towels.
And carpets.
Terry cloth.
Terry cloth.
Terry cloth.
Yes, terry cloth. Like a terry cloth kind of material, and Homer sliding into the bushes. And then they dropped it on the tongue as well. They dropped a picture of Homer on the tongue of the shoe as well. Pretty cool, man. I think it's a fun shoe. I mean, the Stan Smith, this is a classic silhouette. I've had Stan Smiths a few times in my life.
I had a pair back in like middle school.
Yeah, they just a clean classic.
Yeah.
They gave it the age treatment on the outsole. You know, the whole midsole, outsole.
Like some snowfall shoes.
Snowfall, yeah, for like the 80s.
Sambas.
And these are definitely like 70s to 80s Adidas entry.
Yeah.
These might have been prior to the shell toes or might be around that same time. But this is, Stan Smith was, you know, a tennis player back in the day.
It looks like a real tennis shoe.
Yeah. But they dropped so usually does it normally say Stan Smith on the side? I don't think it does, but this one definitely says Homer Simpson on the side.
Signed it.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool.
It's funny.
Yeah, I think it's a fun shoe, man. I think.
It's like you just wearing a shoe that just says Homer Simpson on it, like you Homer.
Yeah, you're just like, yo, I'm repping Homer Simpson today. And I got a funny meme on the back of my shoe. If anybody sees it. But I think, clean, fun. You know, I don't know. There's not much you can do to go wrong. You know,
I don't know. This is like literally just a regular shoe with a meme on the back. What you think?
Like if you created your own shoe, and you could have come up with your own meme to build a shoe off of or create and put on a shoe.
What's meme? What I do?
Yeah.
What's my favorite meme? I will put. Dang, what you think? What's yours?
Mine is either the one little girl with like the uncomfortable face. She's probably like 6 or 7. She's got like that face. Or the little girl that's like, she's like, I don't know, like that. Somehow you build a shoe off of that. I have no idea.
That's how I feel trying to find a meme to put on a shoe.
Yeah. What about the dudes when it's like the group, the bunch of the dudes, they just be like, oh! Go
Super
crazy.
Hot Fire.
That one.
That would be funny. I would put Daniel Larson on a shoe.
Who's that?
Some TikTok dude from New York, speaking. in New York. He's like, oh, he's different, but he's funny.
Now I'm replying with that little girl like,
Right.
I don't know who that is. Y'all know who that is?
That'd be funny.
If you had the choice to put a shoe together with a meme or GIF type of situation,
What
what
would
would
y'all
you
do?
do?
What's your favorite meme?
Yeah, just the thing.
Right.
But I thought, again, fun shoe.
Yeah.
Rating on it, I mean, it's a classic Stan Smith,
Yeah.
Adidas, you know, the good old classic from way back in the day. It's timeless. It's been around probably 50 years, so
Yeah.
I got to give this like a solid 9. I mean, it's clean. As far for what that shoe is, if you just need a casual light sneaker,
Yeah.
Stands with Adidas, you can't beat them. They're easy.
But they got Homer Simpson on 'em.
Right, and that just adds a little extra, a little something
True.
funny
So
that
maybe
everybody's
it's-
not going to see or
So then
notice.
it's a 10.
There you go.
It's a 9 with the cherry on top.
All right, I go with 10.
10 out of 10.
That's
the
it.
Homer Simpson
Don't,
Stan Smith.
and come for me. Don't come for me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think.
You can't hate on it anyway, because then
Nah.
you hating on the Simpsons.
Don't.
Ain't
Like
lame.
that was what Homer says.
Saying that. I need to watch the Simpsons more, bro.
Man, The Simpsons is funny. One of my funniest.
Is it
my
on
favorite.
Adult Swim?
I don't think so. It's on something online. It's always. It's been around for 35 years.
Yeah.
It's like one of the longest running
it is.
cartoon or longest running something.
It's definitely the longest running in America. Maybe the longest running show.
Yeah, something like that.
I
Because
don't
it's
know.
still producing episodes, which is
Right.
crazy. So I don't know.
What's your rating? Let us know.
Yep.
Drop it in the comments.
Let us know. And thanks
Yeah.
for hanging out on this one.
Appreciate you.
All right.
We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.